You deserve everything you've ever dreamed of. But the truth is, most people want, yet very few decide. The difference between those who dream and those who achieve is simple: clarity, belief, and action. If you can control your focus and energy, you can get whatever you want in life, and no one can stop you. You've been told to dream big, but nobody told you how to turn that dream into reality. Here's the truth: whatever you want in life already exists. It's not hidden, it's just waiting for your decision. Most people fail because they wait for the right time, but winners, they create the right time. If you truly want something, a better life, more money, respect, peace, or success, you need three things: clarity, consistency, and confidence. Clarity means knowing exactly what you want. Not, I want to be rich, but I want to earn 10 lakh rupees in 1 year doing what I love. Consistency means showing up every single day, even when nobody believes in you. Confidence means acting as if it's already yours, because when your belief becomes stronger than your fear, the universe aligns to give you what you want. Every successful person you admire once stood where you are now, unsure, afraid, and surrounded by doubt. But they made one choice. They stopped waiting. They started believing. So today, I want you to remember this: you don't need permission to win. You just need discipline to continue. And when you mix desire with daily effort, you'll realize nothing is impossible. Because the moment you believe it's already mine, life begins to rearrange itself to make it true. So stop saying someday. Start saying today. Because your dream is not far away. It's one decision away.